I'm Mama Rose, and this is Christine, okay? We're here at St. Camilla's. This is the distribution center for relief of the whole community. And as you see, if you look around, we're trying to do Christmas. Christine has been my organizer. Miguel is here. Miguel is also an organizer and helping, okay? And we're trying to do the best we could in distributing and doing for our community. For Christmas, we have December 22nd or 23rd? 23rd at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We have a toy drive for all the children. We're going to have Santa Claus. We're going to have elves escorting the children to Santa. As you can see, take a picture of our Christmas tree up there with our Care Bear. Okay, and every day we distribute hot food. And at the end of the day, come 4 o'clock, whoever's seeing me and hearing me right now, please come if you want more food, because I refuse to throw away food. Everybody come and fill your refrigerators, their freezers with food. God forbid for a rainy day, whatever, okay?
Okay.
I'm a volunteer. I'm in the community. I was on Beach 115. I'm a survivor of the hurricane.
Okay, want to tell us about your history with Rockaway Park?
Oh my God, I'm here 6.5 years. And the house that I was living on, 11416, I moved out July 30th to my new home, okay, on August 1st. And Old Man Ocean came and washed me up. Knee be, okay, and I stayed there during the hurricane.
Okay.
I went up to my second floor and I watched the water roll in. 2 steps more and it would have been upstairs to my second floor to all my bedrooms. But thank God it didn't get my bedrooms. It just got my kitchen, my dining room, my living room, everything that I had just bought for the new home.
Wow.
Okay?
So what are you doing to recover now of your own home?
Okay, in recovery now, Occupy came in, Occupy Sandy, and showed my son to take down the sheetrock, to prepare the walls with that special mixture, and they helped clear out all the stuff that was ruined from Hurricane Sandy. And we left it in the yard until FEMA came, and they turned around and examined it and made my application. But sincerely, general attitude, all it takes is love. If you love, and if you love yourself, and you love the people around you, and you do unto the people as you have them do unto you, everything's going to be fine. We have to be positive. We have to do what we have to do.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for your hard work.
Thank you.